Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Wi-Fi privacy warning on iPhone. Since iPhone users are getting this privacy warning, they are quite insecure and scared about using the Wi-Fi networks on their iPhones. So this could be due to internal technical fault, changes made the network settings, disabling the privacy settings on the Wi-Fi networks, etc. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix this issue. Could be fixed using different techniques easily. Let's start the video without wasting any time, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So the first thing you should go for is turn on the private Wi-Fi address option for the Wi-Fi network. Tap on settings and then click on Wi-Fi option. Once opened, now select the Wi-Fi network connected to your iPhone by clicking on its eye symbol. Scroll down. Tap on private Wi-Fi address toggle button to turn it on. Tap on continue. After that, you need to enable limit IP address tracking by clicking on its toggle switch. Now turn off your Wi-Fi. Wait for few seconds and then turn it back on again. And you are done. And the second step you should go for is forget the Wi-Fi network and rejoin it. For this, open the settings app by tapping on the settings icon. After the settings page is open, click on the Wi-Fi option. Tap on the eye symbol of the Wi-Fi network connected to your phone. Now tap on forget option and then tap on forget. Once the Wi-Fi network safe password is erased, click on the same Wi-Fi network from the list of networks. Enter the Wi-Fi network's password. Now tap on join. Now test whether the issue still persists or not. And the next step is use a secure VPN connection. Go to your settings page on your iPhone, then tap on VPN. After that, choose any of the secured VPN connections here and connect them to your phone. And you are done. And the next step is reset network settings on your phone. Launch the settings app by tapping on the settings icon from your home screen. Scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. So in the pop-up box you will see the option of reset network settings. Tap on it. Enter the iPhone passcode for authentication purpose. After that, confirm it again by tapping on reset network settings. It will then begin to start resetting your network settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.